for a manufacturing company, then obviously you are looking at a good, solid way of monitoring and managing the overall production process end-to-end, be it from the planning side or the shop floor execution side, as well as the capacity side. But we know that a lot of organizations use specialized MES solutions as well. It could be anything like a Primavera type solution, or some organizations use master control, Kinetic, Siemens, etc. There are many third-party solutions which specialize in complex and very intricate MES capabilities. And SAP S/4HANA in that scenarios integrates with those MES solutions. And obviously SAP has its own MES solution as well, but we see in the industry people have used different types of solutions. So what am I getting into? Well, basically I'm trying to say that because of the complexity of the integration of third-party MES solutions with SAP S/4HANA, there is a need for making that easy from a user perspective. So complexity of integration is something we're going to talk about and show you how that can be done. The second thing we know is because of the integration complexity, it then leads to heavy dependency on the IT organization to try to solve that problem by writing either a custom code or developing some complex analytics on top of it to help the people on the shop floor and people in the production planning organization get the needed support they need for as much as possible real-time tracking and monitoring. The third thing is that around the visibility. So there is a typically when you have multi systems involved, especially complexities around MES, there is a latency in getting the information in the right time and in the right manner, and therefore obviously there is some impact on decision making as well as impact on the productivity. And then overall, without a solid, integrated, easy to use solution, the overall cost of maintenance and managing this integration becomes a little bit more complex. So there is a cost attached to all of this when we think about integration of MES solutions with SAP, unless it's properly done and it's kind of managed in a more modern capability-based technology that supports it.